Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix error van 1067 in League of Legends. So this error can be caused by Vanguard and the Riot client acting up, or it can be a sign your computer is infected by malware. So the error is often caused by errant software that Vanguard detects as suspicious activity and refuses to let you access League of Legends as a result. So, to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is to actually try to restart your PC and relaunch the Riot client. Also, you can try to actually scan your PC for malware, download Malwarebytes or any other app, and try to scan your laptop or PC for any malware or infections that your laptop could have. So after you've uninstalled any suspicious programs and scanned your PC with an antivirus program, you can try to restart your PC, and now your laptop or PC will hopefully work again and let your game start. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.